How to make an elderly man to last longer than he used to during knacking. I would like you to pay attention. If you are getting older in age or your partner is getting older in age and you want him to be lasting long in order to satisfy you, this is how you are going to do in order to enable him to satisfy you. Number one thing you need to do is make sure that before he starts to put in the joystick inside the watermelon, inside your punani, before he starts to, to kelewa you on top, what you need to do is give him a romance that is very, very hot. You know what I mean? Make sure that you kiss him. Make sure that you touch his head. Make sure that you tickle his ear. Make sure that you touch his nose. Make sure that you touch his beard. Yes. When you are doing that, you are calming his nerves and you are making him to feel fulfilled. You are making him to feel loved. You are making him to be in what you people are doing, his mind. You are calming his nerves down and you are bringing him closer to what you people that are about to do. As you are touching all the touchable, the necessary places, like I said, his nose, his hair, tickle his ears, kiss him very well, touch his nipples. Yes, it's very much important. When you touch there, make sure that you use your hand, go straight to his microphone. Hold the two eggs. When you hold the two eggs, tickle the two eggs. Don't pinch it. Tickle the two eggs. When you tickle his two eggs, oh my goodness, you will see how your husband, how your man will give you sensational feeling. You will see that he will do, ooh, for you to know that his mind is in what you are doing. Immediately you do what is necessary that has already, made him to stand. You will see that automatically he will grab your own two industrial make, your mangoes. There is no two ways about it. Whether he is 70 years old, he is 80 years old, he is 60 years old, he is 50 years old, as far as you did the right thing, it will make him to last long. Yes, during knacking. Now, as you are doing these things, you are doing it passionately. He will feel that sensation and you too will feel that sensation. As both of you are connected into what you are about to do. And you are going down to his joystick, to his microphone, his antenna, his cassava. I don't know the name that you use in representing it. As you are touching the two eggs there, you are tickling it. Gradually use your tongue and go straight to the ring. Yes, go straight to his ring. Tickle his ring. When you tickle his ring, oh my goodness, if time is not taken, that man can bring out end product, small one. Yes. Now you will see that as you are doing these things, it will help the joystick, his joystick to stand gidigam. It will make his joystick to stand. And when his joystick is standing so firmly, believe me, he will like to knock you. As you are doing that, he will knock you. Immediately he is knocking you. You yourself will see that you will bring out your end product and he will bring his own end product. And if you could know it, both of you will last long. See you guys again in my next video. Don't forget to share. Do not forget to follow. Remember, my goal, my aim is to make sure that you have a joyful home and a joyful marriage. Share this and God bless you. Bye for now.